PLT 12-piece 1/4-inch drive, metric deep spline socket set, comes with sizes that range from 4 to 15 millimeters. These sockets feature high polish, chrome-plated vanadium steel for good looks and exceptional strength. The patented spherical spline design works on 6 different fastener types. It also meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. The set includes a heavy-duty aluminum socket rail for easy storage. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of Platinum Tech products, please visit atdtools.com.